Alright everybody, we are back, and it looks like we are good to go this time. So once we got all that problem solved, blue team for life by the way, always blue team. Now, what we were doing is, we were trying our best to find some gold. We're looking for lots of gold ore. That's kind of where we're at today, is just trying our best to find some gold ore, make some nice armor. As we realized last night after defeating the Eye, if you saw from the stream, that we need some better gear. Better gear is important to us. Uh-oh. So here's the thing, the blood moon is rising is what they just said. And the last time that happened, I got owned down here. And no one's here to even close to saving me, so we're going to do the smart thing, which is to head back. Head back, be a little more safe on the on the top side. That seems like the prudent thing to do, and definitely I'd say the prudent thing to do. Looky there. Falling star. Man, she is just protecting us like crazy. Do you see this? Side. And close the door. That. Sir? Have you seen a clown around? Nope. Hey, dynamite. Alright, that'd be cool to have. Very cool to have. What is going on here? Is she protecting us, or what is she doing? Oh, snaps. Okay, that's right, because during the blood moon, they can open doors. We're just using this shield as kind of my protector. Die! Okay, this is not good. I'm gonna end up dying right here. Okay, I got a little bit of life there. Woo! This is not cool. So, blood moon, and definitely got some zombies. This shield is about my saving grace, I'll tell you that much. So this is how you collect stuff. Boom. I'm loving having these guys here, because they are definitely being a major help to me. And they are just attacking this place. Hey Nurse Amy, how about a heal? Alright. We are making this happen. We are protecting the motherland. What we are doing. Frickin' everywhere, man. Bad part is when they get me trapped like that. Oh, excuse me. Uh-oh. Come on. Die. Boom. Backing me into a corner. That ain't cool, bro. Alright. We are getting there. Maybe I was safer down below, huh? So this just further lets us know that better gear is needed. Zombies, man, zombies. Luckily she's here healing us. This is pretty nice. And obviously I'm using this shield as my main weapon here, so if you couldn't tell, that is it's a lot better than trying to attack all these with the yo-yo, although the yo-yo does have some pretty cool things it can do. And if you can't tell, I'm pretty high on the yo-yo. Sounds like a drug, doesn't it? Pretty high on the yo-yo. Uh-oh, 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 this isn't good. That was not good. Dang it, I dropped 14 gold. 14 gold, ladies and gentlemen, that is what I dropped there. And now I gotta get all my gear back and get it in order. Luckily, I'm not too far off. Run! Run! I don't have any of my gear on. No! No! Ah! Man. Yeah, getting my gear together. See, this is the one thing about the way we have this set up right now that is kind of, I mean, there's nowhere to really have a nice safe zone. You know? It's all kind of... Oops. You know, it's all kind of just right there, out in the open. I need to get this equipped. I didn't even have time. Did not even have time. We're doing a lot of dying here. That's okay. It's all in the name of science or video games or something. We're enjoying ourselves. That's what we're gonna pretend is the case. Run! Run away! She's not here healing anymore, which does not help. Okay, but they're not jumping right now, so let's get my shield on. Ah, man, I can't do it quick enough. Not do it quick enough. Tell you what I need to do. I need to run over to my... need to get all my gear together. Okay, here they go. Leaving. What in the world is this thing? A salamander? Okay, well, here we go. Okay, okay. Oh, dear Lord, I'm gonna lose my life. Nope. It's poisonous. Now we're in trouble. Now I gotta get back. Uh-oh. This is not good. This is not good at all. Am I dying here? Ah, boy. I had my head removed by a bone. Which I think, actually, that is an achievement guy there, too. So that's always good. Trying to get that back is going to be a fun time. Drowning's bad, Mkai. Wondering if I can get close enough like this. Probably wouldn't work, will it? Wait. Wait a minute. Is this gonna work? Tell me this is gonna work. Come on. I think I see this working. Oh, yes. Now see, that's how you play it smart right there. There's Joe. Very nice. Wings and all. Say he's played this a couple times. Oh, come on. You don't have to do stuff like that. Well, I definitely appreciate that. Yeah, he probably does. He probably saw me playing and was like, "Dude, that looks painful.
Oh,
This guy needs.
that's just bad.
This guy needs some charity." That's it's probably. Ed, really, if you would have saw me trying to fight a salamander, yeah, you would have. Even I thought that.
You would have taken pity too. Yeah.
I took pity on myself. Yeah, that's pretty pimpin' there, Joe. I'm sorry, Tiny. Whatever you prefer to be called. The heck is this? All right. Now that's pretty wicked. Have you seen this thing? Let's see here. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do.
Oh, nice. Yep.
Well,
I'd rather not.
Tiny, I don't think we're quite all ready for that. We're just now getting to the point of having any armor at all. Whoa. What just happened here?
Yeah, this is gonna be a good time. We're not prepared.
I'm pretty sure we're not ready for this. I mean, obviously Tiny is.
I'm doing 2 damage. We're good. Oh, they got laser guns.
Look at all that stuff laying there, and it's hard to tell what's going on here. What's what? Luckily, mine's basically right on my spawn.
Oh, I did not want to pick up any of this stuff.
Hey!
Oh. Well, that's nice. Nice.
Well, I never.
Is it gone?
Couldn't tell you. Nope.
Nope, not gone. Tiny, I said we weren't ready for that kind of stuff. I'm sorry about that.
Well, if we were friends, maybe.
Wait, we're not friends?
No, we are.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, no, on Steam, yeah, you're on my list, but I wouldn't call us friends.
Yeah, I mean that completely
Last
crashed.
fucking slime gear, and now I have none of it.
Well, that completely crashed me out. And
Yeah.
since I'm hosting on Steam, that kicks everybody. Yeah, I lost all my gear as well.
Fun, fun, fun.
Indeed.
Anyway, let's start digging. Minecart track. Fred, what you been doing here? You've been standing pretty much still for a while.
You passed out.
Making things. I passed out.
Oh no! Oh no! Uh-oh. Oh! There's no way I'm getting back to that either. You see where I'm at? Like how far away on the map I am?
Nope.
I am relatively far away. I need some track to get back to my body.
To make that furnace.
Hey, look, a snow biome.
Oh, just like that.
Wonder if I'm gonna find a Yeti.
That's bad.
Hey, you dropped a rail.
Yep. I fell again. Right? I was very close to water.
So you don't want me to pick this stuff up, is what I'm
Well,
hearing.
I'm on my way. I gotta run into some heavy opposition. My original
It's
plan
gonna be tough to get
was
here.
I was going to go to the end of the rail, pick up the rail, back up, and then just make my my descent. That's what I was
No,
going for.
descendants.
My descendants. I was gonna make my descendants.
Your antecedents.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, hey, a snow biome. That's what we say here.
That's
Yeah.
what we say.
Why can't we swim? By the way.
We don't have the gear for it. You can.
No, I mean like just naturally.
away.
Like humans can swim. Are we not humans in this game? Did I just learn that we're not humans in this game?
can't. A human doesn't just
It's
get
something you
into a
have to
pool
learn.
and knows what to do.
Tell that to Kurt Cobain. Oh, good. Everything but like my boots.
Equip it.
That's I'm going to. I'm just trying to get away from some of this stuff.
He had all the technology in the world, but it was one man in wood armor with a yo-yo.
That's
that
right.
saved him.
That's absolutely right. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, he says. Man, there's no way we're gonna be able to get through though. Never mind.
Hey, Dad.
Hi.
Hello.
So what exactly you got going on here, Fred? This is kind of cool. Teach me.
This is my
Ooh,
mushroom
you can
farm.
right-click on the bed and it'll change your
Yep,
spawn
I'm
point.
gone.
Here you go.
He kept teleporting around.
So this is your mushroom farm?
So back in that underground
No,
world,
no,
there was
no, no, no.
the, you know, the mushrooms, the glowing
Yes.
mushrooms,
Yes.
that they only grow on mud. So I built a little platform here for, you know, them to grow
No,
on.
no, 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 no.
Okay.
And glowing mushrooms are obviously used for regular healing potions, not the lesser healing potions that regular mushrooms are used for. So
Very
these will
cool.
help us take on more bosses
Awesome.
as
That
soon
was
as
one
they
bat
actually start
bastard.
growing.
Did you hear what I said?
What?
Bat bastard. Because he was a bat. No, but he was a bat. So.
Think
Oh,
so?
Pinky's here.
Pinky!
I got
Kill the
one.
Pinky! I mean, no,
Kill
be
the
friends with Pinky is what I
Pinky!
meant to say.
Wait, aren't you supposed to kill Pinky?
Yeah.
Is there an Chivo for killing
Unless I
Pinky?
was wearing some sort of equipment. I don't get a hit on it then, I guess. Uh-oh.
Yeah, Chief.
Where's King Slime?
Game
Oh,
on.
there he is. I got this. Let him sit on me. What's he doing?
One man and wood on with a yo-yo.
On top of your building. Die. What?
He will
Back
not
here.
die. He will never die.
Okay, he drops his crap.
Die. 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 Time to die. Not the mushrooms.
Time to die.
Save the mushrooms. Uh-oh. Don't harvest the mushrooms. Okay. He's about to get me. As I keep,
With 240 life. He's about to get me.
well, I was trying not to hit the mushrooms is what the problem was.
As long as you don't break all of the mushrooms.
Schnips has defeated the everything!
I don't have room for anything in my inventory. Oh, he's still alive. Oh, he's not.
He's not?
Is he?
Should be. Where'd he go?
Huh.
Did he disappear? There he is. Doesn't tell us where he's at, does it?
I hope it does.
There he is.
Ow, right on top of my.
Full health. Great. You look amorous right now. All the hearts flying around.
Oh, thank you.
Really
Got our
him.
mushrooms.
Oh no!
Oh no, my face!
Shut up your face.
Oh, but then he'll get me next.
What? Somebody just died right there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here's the good news. My inventory's full, so I've protected myself from picking up anything. Anything. Come back here. Where do you think you're going, bro?
Got him that time. And a treasure bag.
Giggity goo. Alright. Well, fought some bosses, learned some things, lost some things, and another day.
Loved something.
Loved everything.